Oh my!
Oh, gold! There's
nice.
gold in his head.
Nice.
That's where I keep my gold. Come get it.
Come get it.
Are you feeling dead lucky tonight? Today we're here at Shattered Nightmares in Terre Haute, Indiana. Not only is it St. Patrick's Day, but it's also Friday the 13th. We're taking you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
I hope we don't end up like that.
Yeah, I hope not.
Right?
He does not look like he was lucky today.
He was definitely unlucky.
He's dead lucky.
He is dead
He's
lucky.
dead Always knock. Thank you.
They knocked back.
It knocked back a little.
There's a chair on the floor.
Oh, it's a wheelchair.
It's really dark in here.
Oh,
Oh, she's dusting. What are you guys doing in here? Oh, looking for the gold.
Can't you see I'm cleaning?
we
Yeah.
can. We'll try it. We wiped our feet.
You're doing a good job.
You better go before we become part of the mess.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I don't want to be part of cobwebs. Okay, okay,
go
okay.
faster.
Oh God, there's ghosts in there. Did you see that?
Ghost in the window.
There was a ghost there. Oh, it's so dark.
You can't trust the corners.
It smells good in here though. There's just a random somebody in the corner.
Isn't that the same one we saw Dustin a second ago?
I don't really know. I think so. She's just teleported. She's a ghost.
She must have went through the walls.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
my.
that one's levitating.
Wait about it.
Uh-oh.
Somebody back there. It's back there.
More whispers.
Oh, I don't like those windows.
Okay.
Yes, the wall whispered. I know I saw somebody down here.
There's the evil
I
leprechaun.
told there's something behind you. Where did they go? It's really haunted. Oh, crap. Oh my. Ay, ay, ay. They're a little bloody. Oh, wow. I like what you've done with the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Here's your piece of gold.
Oh, we can have. Oh, thank you.
Oh, we got gold.
We got gold.
We didn't even have to peel it out of anybody's scalp.
Well, we don't know that they didn't.
Well,
Oh, that guy is. Here we go with these doors again.
I hear you in there, man.
Oh! There's a freaking leprechaun in there.
This room does not smell as good.
No, it does. Oh, those are baby heads.
Oh,
Oh, where'd you go? Oh, crap. I think you trapped us, Tyler.
I think he might have. Yeah. There's no way out.
We're trapped. In the kitchen. Oh, my God.
I can get out.
Okay, thank you. You're not getting me gold. Look out, Tyler.
Oh, now we're behind the walls.
Ah, so there was somebody here. We know there was.
Does that mean we're dead?
I don't know, comment below. Oh. Okay, we're going this way. Oh my, something really bad happened to them. Oh,
What are you guys doing? Don't you guys know you need to be careful?
yes.
Creatures have been known to lose their heads around here.
I can see that.
You're gonna cost me all mine.
That's not
Oh
good.
my God, he's got real
It's not good.
we go this way.
He's stalking us. He's stalking us.
If you stick around any longer, you're gonna end up on my wall.
We do not want to stick around
We don't want to
longer.
be headless. Okay, I think that was just me.
Oh, I like these chandeliers.
They all have those
rings.
weird looking faces. Sis! Oh my God. That, oh, you're clicky.
Don't mind us.
What did you do to them?
We are not the health inspectors.
There's so many doors. Oh, they're burying us. Oh crap, I don't like this. I don't trust it.
No,
I don't trust
there's
it.
nothing wrong with coffin-shaped
There's no end.
tunnels.
There's no door.
Oh, it just stops?
Yes, it just stops.
Oh. Well, I guess that means
You like
we're
my rats?
They nailed it.
there with.
Oh no.
They tried to bury us alive.
I don't think they tried. Kind of looks.
I think they were successful.
Who the hell was that?
What are you doing
just buried, you know.
We're trying not to die! What is that? Where'd it come from? Oh my God!
There's so many of them.
You're right!
Oh no.
Oh. Something.
Nope.
Nah.
That's not good. That's not good. Up on the ceiling.
I know, it's upside down. Where do you go? That's not the door.
Go into the confessional.
I hear they're all over, all inside
They
the
are.
walls. It's dark in there.
Oh no.
Can you guys see her too? Who?
The one behind Nora?
I mean, that nice lady. Where's the door? I don't know how to get out.
I think we have to ask her.
Oh, that way. Thanks. We can see her too.
Yep, she's real. It's not just in your head.
Oh, there's somebody back there.
If it's any consolation.
They kicked us out of the house.
Welcome to Gator Country!
That's not comforting.
That was a warning.
That was a warning. Little foreshadowing.
There's a little one right there. Well, I guess
Oh.
he's not really little.
That one's not too bad.
Shoot. Oh, there he is.
Oh, no.
That is a big gator for sure. Nope.
he's a
You
big
can't
one.
have my
He's coming all
gold.
the way out.
Oh my gosh. Right under there. Oh my gosh. You stay over. Ah! It just moved!
Oh, he did move.
Oh my god. We can't. There's rails. There's trees.
We are wading through a swamp after all.
Tyler is still behind you.
He just went right through the wall. He's cheating.
It's not fair. Just like that one. Oh my god. You went through the wall too. Why? No. Gold. Do you have any of this? No? Uh-oh. Okay. I tried. You can't blame a girl for trying.
Is that flowers?
Cindy and Mindy, may we come through, please?
Please. Always ask nicely. Thank
Oh
you,
yeah,
Cindy and
thank
Mindy.
you. If we didn't have Tyler's light, it's 100% dark.
Yep. Here we go.
Oh, shoot balls. If you don't know already, Nora is afraid of the dark.
Oh.
This is so trippy. You gotta do the wave.
Into outer space. Oh, jeez.
I know, it's
Oh,
like,
wow.
whoa.
Oh, God. I wonder where they just teleported us.
To the land of the gold.
The land of the gold. Oh, I think they made us.
Luck. Dead luck.
Took us back in time, maybe?
Do we go that way? Yep.
Yeah.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
This is so
Hello?
fun because you don't know where you're supposed to go.
No. This guy again.
You look great for dinner.
No.
You should stay.
Oh, there's a ghost face in here. That can't be good. Oh, there's two of them. Oh,
Two
shoot
ghost
balls.
faces?
You think one of them's
There's
real?
3 of them.
Whoa! There is 3. Holy, that one got me and it didn't even move.
You're gonna die!
That one's definitely real. Hopefully you're the only one.
Wait and see.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Here, dog! Time to eat!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is down there?
Those are the dogs. Those are the dogs.
This is the Orphanage of Nightmares. Because what is an orphanage without
Orphanage
nightmares?
of Nightmares.
Yes. It sounds like my kind of place. Maybe. That door was already open.
I don't think anybody's been in here for a while. That housekeeper needs to come in here and do some dusting.
Don't tell her that.
No.
It's gonna play!
Sure.
Yeah. We get to leave though if we play, right? I don't know.
You don't know?
That's never good. Will you stay with me? I don't know. You don't look very nice. I'm sorry.
Just wait till my friends see you.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
okay.
Uh-oh. Who's her friends?
I think that's
Are
a
those her
friend,
friends?
and that's a friend.
Hey, dollies, Nora's coming.
Uh-oh.
She just called on me.
Uh-oh.
Oh shoot!
Nobody
balls.
likes a tattletale.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh my.
Whoa. Oh, nope, I am not playing with you. You are creepy as
We're
hell.
gonna pass on that. Oh, it's been spelling bad words.
These are gross. Oh.
You want to stay and play?
No, not anymore. Because that thing thing
There's
is gonna
creepy
get us all.
dolls coming out of the toy box. That's why.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my.
I did not see you.
Go. Oh no. Oh no.
Nora! Stay and play! Because I don't trust you dolls. No, you'll turn me into a doll.
Oh, but you'll be the perfect dolly.
No. Just because I'm short. Oh, we could be Annabelle because she's missing. What did you do with Annabelle?
Have fun.
It's
Okay,
not
I'm gonna try.
disconcerting at
That
all.
something just moved over there. The attic smells interesting.
It does.
Balls!
There she is.
We found her.
Found her.
Oh, what are you?
She is bloody. That's what she is.
Where's he from?
Comment below.
Oh! There's a thing.
ran into
There's
the
a
wall.
thing there. Fudge, my
I
God.
warned you to stay out of my attic. No one's ever made it by. I guess I'll let you guys through.
Well, we're gonna.
You think?
There's
You
first time
guess?
for everything.
Is it a trick? I don't know, Grandpa.
Could
I don't
be.
trust it. Oh, okay. Maybe we made it, or maybe we didn't. I feel like he's putting us in a dungeon.
I don't know how far we're gonna make it.
No one's in there.
You know what's in? I don't know what's in there.
I don't trust you. Red apron? Oh
The
no.
red-
Do you remember what happened last time we were here?
I do.
Oh no.
Beware, he's gonna get you.
He's gonna get you.
I already know that. We are screwed. Oh God. She immediately. It
Oh,
smells
my.
like a pig in
It
here.
does. Oh, I wonder why.
I don't know. Oh my God, that's wet. It's wet. No. Okay, fine. You leave it up.
Are you hungry?
Not right
Well,
now.
we were before we came in here.
Oh,
You took a bite of my sister.
that's your sister? What? Why would you do that to her?
Mama said I could.
Well-
Okay.
Fine, look at Mama does.
It kind of looks
Say hi,
raw.
Mama.
Oh, hi, Mom.
How is she doing the cooking if she's up there?
She's next on the menu.
She's next. Oh.
Okay.
well,
At least it's her and not us, Tyler.
Behind every good cook is a great butcher.
Okay. I think you just made that up.
I'm going with compliments here.
Okay. Good job. It's not working. It's not working. Stairs.
Please give me a leg.
No.
I'm using them right now.
No, you don't.
You've got Mom
You
in
can still
there.
walk without one.
I can hobble.
We can't walk as fast though.
True. I need to be able
We
to
need
run.
speed right now.
Crawl then.
Crawl? Oh no, we're trapped again.
Are we?
Yes.
Oh no.
Shoot.
This never ends well.
I don't like Oh, this is a warning.
I wonder how many times we're actually trapped and when Nora thinks we're trapped.
Always? No.
We don't have any.
I don't have any gold.
Nope.
No, it's not. That's not it. We don't have any at all.
We don't have any.
If you see some, let us know where it is. Okay. We'll take
The
some.
butcher took it all. He's in the next room over.
And the
I say
butcher.
you still got it.
He's probably still got it.
He put it in Mom's pocket.
Yeah.
I saw him do it. I don't like this.
This
Tyler, I
looks
think
like
we're trapped again.
we might be
And I'm not kidding.
trapped.
See? Are we?
Oh, you gotta put.
Oh my God! What's he got?
He's got a snowball.
Oh crap!
He's gonna cut us up just like he did her. You ain't going fast enough.
I can't help it.
We don't have it. We
I don't have any gold. Oh, that
we
just
got a
opened.
duck.
That just moved.
gotta get in my freezer.
It just moved by itself.
Don't mind your heads.
I'm
If you
good.
lose them, we'll collect them later.
That moved. Oh. What are you? Why are you growling? I don't think they froze it good enough.
He's not frozen enough.
No, not hard. Oh, what in the hell? Bye.
Oh my.
Oh.
We can't. Well, we're.
They're gonna try.
He said we can't keep him.
Shoot balls. There's a clown there.
Oh no.
I don't know about that
no.
one. one either.
He thinks it's funny.
I know, he's turned the dead luck into a laughing matter. Whose head is that? Not mine yet.
Oh, go this way. Going this way. We're going in the mouth. We're going in the
Oh, we
mouth.
are going in the mouth. Okay, I see. He thinks it's funny too. Oh my God. That's real. No. That guy back there has a head for you.
More like a frying meal with your leg.
Oh my God, no! I need my leg. This feels like. Oh no. Oh no. Where did that clown come from? Oh my God. Where do we go? That way.
They think it's funny.
I don't know. I mean, it might. Huh? Worms.
We're gonna play a fun game.
Oh, what is the game?
Really?
You gotta guess.
We gotta guess?
Yes.
Find the gold.
Oh, that's a fun one.
Okay. Do we get a clue to play the game?
No, that's
We
not
just gotta
fair.
do it. Okay. Oh, hell.
Toodaloo.
Ooh, you could see in there. Oh. I just wondered if he was real, and he was. Oh my
You
God.
never know what you'll find in the funhouse.
Or where? Holy crap, Tyler. Look
he's
out.
back. He's
Tyler,
back.
look out. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
What is it? That. A sadistic clown.
I see.
Where's the gold?
Holy
We
shit.
don't have any.
We don't have any. Oh, thank you.
We got more.
Tyler?
Wait, I mean, we got some. I want to make them think we had some already.
Okay. Secret passage. Should we take it?
Yeah, we gotta go that way.
Okay.
It always leads to safety.
The secret passage. Oh no. That's what they do to you
Oh no.
when you don't find the gold.
You after my gold?
I already.
You'll never find it.
It's in your head.
I'm summoning the clouds. Come help me. Where's that little leprechaun?
Over
He
there.
went that
He
way.
took my
He
gold.
went that way.
Where'd he go?
He
That
went that
way.
way.
Are you sure I don't see him? This is the first time I have that leprechaun. He's here and he's gone.
Oh, isn't that normal?
This is my circus, not his rainbow.
Come back, leprechaun! Oh my goodness. Leprechaun!
Leprechaun.
Where'd he
You called?
Yes!
This
Gold
clown is
is in
looking
your
for
head!
you.
Yes, it is. And you made it through.
All right!
I
There you
might
go.
have one. Well, do I? I don't
One
have
right there,
one.
right there.
I see it. I see it.
Oh, we got more!
This time you survived.
This time.
This time.
You'll have to try again next time.
You better come back and see us.
We will.
We will.
shall. If we're lucky.
Oh my God.
If we're lucky.
How many gold coins do we have? Comment below. They're in my hand.